Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a simple mnemonic that will help you remember the blood clotting factors. If you are interested in content like this, then please subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. First, there are 12 clotting factors. That's factor 1 to 13. However, there's no factor 6. The reason is, at first we had 13 factors, but factor 6 was found to be an active form of factor 5. So for that reason, it was gotten rid of, so we don't have factor 6. Importantly for this mnemonic, we are going to use factor 6 also as a reference point. So let's get started first by looking at the clocking factors. So these factors are factor 1, fibrinogen, factor 2, factor 3, factor 4, factor 5. So what I did here, I divided the factors using factor 6 as a reference point. So we have factor 1 to 5 and factor 7 to 13. So here's a mnemonic I developed for the first 5 factors. So factor 1 to 5 we have first, prepare the class lab. That's just it. So what I love to think of it is having a lab and we've been given instruction. First, it's very much indeed obvious fibrinogen is the first clotting factors. Prepare the prothrombin. D is tissue thromboplastin. Plus is calcium, and lab here stands for the liver factor. So that is it for you. Let's now look at the lighter ones. So let's continue, right? Factor 7 is the stable factor. Factor 8 is the anti-hemophilic factor. Factor 9, Christmas. Factor 10, the stroke power. Factor 11, the plasma thromboplastin. Factor 12, the Hickman. And factor 13, the fibrin stabilizer. So some of these factors have two names like you see in factor 12, but I went with the popular ones, right? So this is the lighter part of the mnemonic that is set all chemicals since Professor Hickman forgets. Set for factor 7, stable factor. So when you have something set, it's stable. Anti-hemophilic for all chemicals for Christmas, since stroke power factor, plasma thromboplastin, antecedent for Professor and Hickman. This should be easier to remember. Hickman factor, Professor Hickman, and forget fibrin stabilizer. So those are, or that is the mnemonic for your clotting factors. In combination, we have first prepare the class lab, set all chemicals since Professor Hickman forgets. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this tutorial if you are interested in content like this.